Introduction. Welcome to Zoom in Data. In this session, we will discuss Databricks repos and Git version control integration, which is an important topic for real-world Databricks projects and interviews. Databricks repos allow teams to connect the Databricks workspace directly with Git repositories, enabling proper version control, collaboration, and CI/CD practices. Understanding how repos work helps data engineers follow software engineering best practices while developing notebooks and code in Databricks. Key points covered in this subtopic include Git integration basics, collaboration workflows, version control concepts, and interview-relevant scenarios. Subscribe to Zoom in Data to continue structured and reliable learning of Databricks concepts. What are Databricks repos? Databricks repos are a feature that allows users to link external Git repositories directly to the Databricks workspace. They enable version-controlled development of notebooks, scripts, and libraries within Databricks. Repos help teams track changes, manage code history, and collaborate efficiently. This feature brings standard software development practices into data engineering workflows. Why are Databricks repos important in enterprise projects? Databricks repos ensure that all code changes are tracked and auditable through Git history. They enable multiple developers to work on the same project without overwriting each other's work. Repos improve deployment reliability by supporting branching and controlled merges. Enterprises benefit from better governance and maintainability of data pipelines. Which Git providers are supported by Databricks repos? Databricks repos support popular Git providers such as GitHub, GitHub Enterprise, GitLab, Bitbucket, and Azure DevOps. This flexibility allows organizations to use their existing source control systems. Authentication is handled securely using personal access tokens or OAuth. Interviewers often test knowledge of supported integrations and authentication methods. How do Databricks repos differ from workspace notebooks? Workspace notebooks are stored directly inside the Databricks workspace without version control by default. Databricks repos store notebooks as files synced with a Git repository. Repos provide commit history, branching, and rollback capabilities. This makes repos more suitable for production-grade development. How do you create a Databricks repo? A Databricks repo is created by linking a Git repository URL within the Databricks workspace. Users authenticate using a secure Git access token. Once connected, the repository content is cloned into the workspace. This allows immediate editing and version-controlled development. What is the role of branches in Databricks repos? Branches allow developers to work on new features without affecting the main codebase. Databricks repos support switching between branches directly in the UI. This helps isolate changes and test them safely. Branching is a common interview topic related to collaborative development. How does committing code work in Databricks repos? Users can commit changes directly from the Databricks interface. Each commit records the changes along with a message describing the update. Commits ensure traceability of who changed what and why. This process aligns Databricks development with standard Git workflows. What happens when you pull changes in a Databricks repo? Pulling updates syncs the latest changes from the remote Git repository. This ensures that local workspace code stays up to date. Conflicts may arise if multiple users modify the same files. Handling pulls correctly is critical in team environments. How are merge conflicts handled in Databricks repos? Merge conflicts occur when Git cannot automatically combine changes. Databricks highlights conflicting files for resolution. Developers must manually review and resolve conflicts. Interviewers often ask how conflicts are identified and fixed. Can notebooks be version controlled using Databricks repos? Yes. Notebooks stored in repos are treated as version controlled files. Each change to a notebook is tracked as a Git commit. This enables rollback to previous versions if needed. It improves reliability compared to workspace-only notebooks. What are the benefits of using Git with Databricks? Git integration ensures consistency across development, testing, and production environments. It supports collaboration across distributed teams. Code reviews and approvals improve code quality. These benefits are often expected knowledge in interviews. How do Databricks repos support CI/CD pipelines? Repos allow code to be integrated with external CI/CD tools. Changes pushed to Git can trigger automated tests and deployments. This reduces manual intervention and errors. CI/CD readiness is a key enterprise requirement. What security considerations apply to Databricks repos? Access tokens must be stored securely and rotated periodically. Repository access follows Git provider permission settings. Sensitive data should not be hard-coded in repositories. Security awareness is crucial for production systems. How do Databricks repos improve collaboration? Multiple developers can work simultaneously using branches. Code reviews can be performed using Git tools. Changes are transparent and traceable. This reduces confusion and accidental overwrites. Can Databricks repos be used for Python and SQL code? Databricks repos support notebooks written in Python, SQL, Scala, and R. They also support standalone script files. This flexibility makes repos suitable for mixed workloads. Interview questions often test multi-language support. What is the difference between pull and clone in Databricks repos? Clone creates the initial local copy of a repository. Pull updates an existing repo with new changes. Understanding this difference avoids sync issues. This reflects basic Git knowledge applied in Databricks. How do Databricks repos help with rollback and recovery? Git history allows reverting to previous commits. This helps recover from faulty code changes quickly. Rollbacks reduce downtime in production pipelines. Interviewers value this practical understanding. Can multiple repos be used in a single workspace? Yes. Multiple repos can coexist within one workspace. Each repo can represent a different project or team. This supports scalable development practices. Proper organization is important for maintainability. What are common interview questions related to Databricks repos? Interviewers ask about Git integration benefits and workflows. They test understanding of branching and merging. Real-world collaboration scenarios are often discussed. Clear explanations demonstrate practical experience. How do Databricks repos support production deployment? Repos ensure that tested code is promoted consistently. Version tags can mark production-ready releases. This reduces risk during deployments. Production stability depends heavily on version control. What limitations should be considered with Databricks repos? Large binary files are not ideal for Git storage. Merge conflicts can occur with simultaneous edits. Users must follow disciplined Git practices. Awareness of limitations shows maturity in interviews. How do Databricks repos fit into data engineering best practices? They align data engineering with software engineering standards. Code becomes reusable, testable, and maintainable. Collaboration improves across teams. Best practices are a frequent interview focus. Can Databricks repos be used for ML projects? Yes. Repos can store ML notebooks and scripts. Model training code can be version controlled. Experiments become more reproducible. This supports reliable ML development. How does Git history help during audits and debugging? Git history shows when and why changes were made. Auditors can trace modifications easily. Debugging becomes faster with commit comparisons. This is important in regulated industries. Why should every Databricks professional understand repos? Repos are essential for team-based development. They reduce errors and improve code quality. Interviewers expect hands-on knowledge of Git integration. Mastery of repos strengthens real-world Databricks expertise. If you found this video helpful, like, share, subscribe. More Databricks interview and tutorial videos are coming soon. Stay connected and keep learning with Zoom in Data.